At DMD, Custom Crates and Boxes, we are leaders in the manufacturing of custom bins for various applications in the industry. Versatile and durable, our bins provide optimal protection during transportation, ensuring the safety of your products. At DMD, our team of experts is ready to design and manufacture bins that perfectly cater to your business needs. We enforce strict quality controls at every stage of the manufacturing process, ensuring excellence in each of our products. Furthermore, we are dedicated to environmental conservation by using sustainably sourced wood. With DMD, Custom Crates and Boxes, you can rest assured that your products are in good hands. Contact us and let us help you find the perfect solution for your packaging needs. DMD, the power of lumber, the promise of sustainability.